Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a signature on Google Docs. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to add a signature on Google Docs. There are two ways to add a signature. First way, just click Insert. After that, Drawing. And then click New. First way, if you want to upload your signature, then just click on image icon and then just upload your signature image. Just select where is it, if it's in Google Drive or photo. After that, just click here, save and close. This is the first way. The second way, is draw the signature. Just click Insert. After that, Drawing, and then New. And here it's the line icon. Here select line, just click on it and then click Scribble. Now you can draw the signature by yourself. For example, here if you write John. And now if you are happy with that, just click Save and Close. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to add a signature on Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.